Hello everyone, today we are going to continue our same topic, that is power and exponent, but today we are going to take some somewhat difficult questions. This all are extra question other than what exercise 1.6. Let's first of all complete these two sums. Now for first one, let's find the value. Here three powers are given and we know that power of power we have to multiply here. So here three brackets are given, smaller bracket, curly bracket and square bracket. So power of power will multiply here. So first of all we will multiply first two numbers, 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Then whatever answer we get we will multiply with what? 2. So let's start with the first bracket. So next step of this will be a square bracket, curly bracket, 81. Now minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 4. What is the product? 1 into 1, it's what? 1. 2 4s are 8. Minus minus plus. Then whole bracket 2. Again it's power of power we have to multiply. So 81 raised to what? 1 by 8 into 2. So if I multiply 1 by 8 into 2, 2 will cancel 8 how many times? 4 times. So 2 cancel 8 4 times. So 81 raised to 1 by 4. So now I got 81 raised to 1 by 4. So now 81 is the fourth power of which number? 81 है किसका fourth power है? That is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Right? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s is what? 81. So I can write, instead of 81 I am going to write 3 raised to 4 and whole raised to 4. Again it's power of power multiplied. So this will be 3 raised to 4 whole raised to 4. So this 4 get cancelled. What is our answer? Our final answer is 3. Similarly we can solve this one. Now here, if you look at all the numbers, 8, 16, 32, all this number can be converted into what? 2. सारे 2 के फॉर्म में. 8 means what? 2 raised to 3. 16 means what? 2 raised to 4. And this 32 is what? 2 raised to 5. So all this thing you have to learn to calculate this type of sum. How to convert any number into power form. So let's start with 8. Instead of 8 I am going to write here 2 raised to 3 whole raised to 1 by 3. Instead of 16 I am going to write here 2 raised to 4 whole raised to 1 by 3. Instead of 32, 2 raised to 5 whole raised to minus 1 upon 3. So definitely here this power of power get multiplied. So 3 into 1 by 3. So this 3 and 3 get cancelled. तो क्या बचेगा? Only 2 raised to 1. Even if you write only 2, then also it's fine. 4 into 1 by 3. 4 into 1 by 3. 4 ones are 4. This 4 will multiply only with numerator, not with denominator. So it's 4 by 3. So 2 raised to 4 by 3. Then in denominator 5 into minus 1 by 3. So 5 ones are minus 5. So 2 raised to minus 5 upon 3. So this is the way we convert all the numbers into what? In power of 2. Now let's take this denominator to numerator. So 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 4 by 3. If I take this to numerator, 2 raised to plus 5 by 3. ये जो minus 5 by 3 है, it becomes what? Plus 5 by 3. Because it came from denominator to numerator. Now all the numbers are same. So we can add all the powers. So it's 2 raised to 1 plus 4 by 3 plus 5 by 3. So now I am going to add all this power. So 2 raised to What is the LCM here? 1, 3 and 3. The LCM of 1, 3 and 3 is 3 itself. 3 is the LCM. Now next thing you have to understand. Now if you don't know what to write here, what you have to do, just assume that जो भी LCM मिलेगा उसे तीनों फ्रैक्शन के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. So 3 ones are 3. Here if 4 by 3 multiply by 3, 3 and 3 get cancelled. It's what? 4. Now here this 3 and 3 get cancelled. What is remaining here? 5. So this is the way I got number here. So 2 raised to 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. So it's 12 upon 3. So we know that 2 raised to 12 upon 3 means 4. 2 raised to 4. How it's 4? 3 will cancel 12. 3 12 को cancel करेगा. How many times? 4 times. So how much I got? 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 means 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this will be what? 16. So this is the way we can solve this two sums. Now similarly we will take somewhat more difficult than this one from practice book. Question is what? Evaluate 9 upon 4 whole raised to 1 by 4. 125 upon 27 1 raised to 6. Divide by 625 upon 16 whole raised to 1 by 8. Now from this question, from given number, I can convert this 9 into what? In the power of 3. 4 can be converted into in power of 2. 125 we can convert in the power of 5. 27 we can convert it into power of 3. 3 raised to 3. Similarly 625 we can convert into power of 5. 16 we can convert into power of 2. This much knowledge you should have before solving this one, or with more practice you are able to do it. So here first step, apply this power on all the numbers. So 9 raised to 1 by 4, 4 raised to 1 by 4. This is what? 125 raised to 1 by 6, 27 raised to 1 by 6. Here 25. 25 is what? 5 into 5, 25. 25 5 is a 125. 125 5 is what? 625. So how many times 5 are there? 4 times. So 5 raised to 4. So right now I am going to write like this only. 16 raised to 1 by 8. So what I did in the first step, I applied the power on numerator and denominator. Now I am going to convert them into power form of this number. So instead of 9, it's 3 square 1 by 4. 2 square 1 by 4. 125 means 5 cube 1 by 6. 27 means 3 cube 1 by 6. Divide by 5 raised to 4 1 by 8. 2 raised to 4 1 by 8. So I convert all the numbers into simplest form. Now each and every power of power we have to multiply. So 2 into 1 by 4. So 2 2s are. So I can write this one as 3 raised to 1 by 2. This 2 will cancel this 4 2 times. So this is what? 2 raised to 1 by 2. Multiply 3 into 1 by 6. 3 into 1 by 6. 3 will cancel 6 how many times? 2 times. So we can write 5 raised to 1 by 2. Similarly 3 will cancel this 6. Power of power multiply. So 3 raised to 1 by 2. Keep this divide as it is. Now 4 into 1 by 8. 4 into 1 by 8. 4 2s are. So 5 raised to 1 by 2. And similarly here 4 into 1 by 8. It's 1 upon 2. 3 raised to 1 by 2. 2 raised to 1 by 2. This is 5 raised to 1 by 2. 3 raised to 1 by 2. Convert this divide into what? Multiplication. Divide को multiply करने से क्या होगा? ये दोनों reciprocate हो जाएंगे. So denominator कहाँ चला जाएगा? Numerator. Here we are not going to change the sign. Here what we are doing? Divide को multiply कर रहे हैं तो ये reciprocate हो जाता है और जब number reciprocate होता है तो sign change नहीं होता. So here if you look at this number 5 raised to 1 by 2, 5 raised to 1 by 2, 2 raised to 1 by 2, 2 raised to 1 by 2, 3 raised to 1 by 2, 3 raised to 1 by 2. So all this number get cancelled here. 3 raised to, 3 raised to, 5 raised to, 5 raised to, 2 raised to, 2 raised to. All get cancelled. It's not 0, it's equals to 1. So this is the way we can evaluate this given question. Let's solve one more sum. Then I am going to give you work based on this one. Evaluate 81 raised to 1 by 4, 32 1 by 5 plus 125 raised to 1 by 3, here 16 raised to 1 by 4 minus 256 raised to 1 by 4. Now what is the difference between this sum and last sum? Here there is addition and subtraction in between. Last sum में क्या था? यहाँ पे multiply था. So we can easily cancel them. But here there is what? Addition in between. So let's try to solve this one. 81 is the fourth power of which number? 3. 3 raised to 4. 1 by 4. 32 is the fifth power of which number? 32 equals to 2 raised to 5. So instead of 32, 2 raised to 5. 1 upon 5. 125. 125 is a cube of which number? 5 cube. 1 upon 3. 16 is what? 2 raised to 4. 1 upon 4. Minus 256. 256 is the fourth power of which number? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 16 is what? 256. So 16, sorry. So 4 raised to 4, 4 raised to 1 by 4. Now again you know that power of power they are going to multiply each other and it will get cancelled. So this 4 into 1 upon 4 both get cancelled. So this 2 cancel, 3 3 cancel, 4 4, 4 4, 5 5. So the only remaining thing is what? 3 by 2, 5 by 2 minus 4. Now we can't cancel this 2 and 4. Why? Because there is minus sign in between. We are not supposed to cancel any number having negative sign or positive sign in between. So what you have to do here, you have to take out LCM. LCM क्या मिलेगा? 2 2. If nothing is there means 1. LCM is 2. As I explained you before, पता ना चले कि यहाँ पे कौन से नंबर लिखने, जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई 2 टू ईच एंड एवरी फ्रैक्शन. हर एक फ्रैक्शन पे 2 लिख दिया. सो 2 विल कैंसिल 2. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 1 जा, तो क्या रह गया? सिर्फ 3. 2 विल कैंसिल दिस 2. व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग हियर? इट्स 5. Similarly, yeah, 1 will not cancel with 2. So 4 2s are 8. So 3 plus 5, 8 minus 8 upon 2. 8 minus 8 means 0 upon 2. So our answer is what? 0. So this is the way we can evaluate this number. Let's have one more example. Last example. Evaluate. It's 9 upon 25 raised to 1 by 2. Divide by minus 27 upon 125 raised to 1 by 3 into 3 by 5 raised to minus 1. Now here in this last one, what is new thing for you? That is negative power. Here it's given negative power and the negative integer. Let's try to solve this one. In first step only I am going to convert all this number. 9 I am going to convert as 3 square, and instead of 25 I am going to write 5 square. This power will apply on both the numbers, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Keep the bracket closed, divide by this. So here I am going to write what? Minus 3 cube raised to 1 by 3. ये जो पावर है दोनों नंबर पे लगेगा, इस पे भी और इस पे भी. So 25 is what? 5 cube raised to 1 by 3 into this power 1. So 3 raised to minus 1, 5 raised to minus 1. Now if you look at all this number, 2 into 1 by 2, 2 to cancel, yeah, 3 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, because they are in now multiplication. So this is what? 3 upon 5 divided by minus 3 upon 5, bracket close. Now I am going to convert this negative power to positive power. In last time what we have done, we just done the reciprocate, division से multiply हुआ था. Here already multiplication is there. So what I am going to do, I will take this 5 power to the numerator. तो क्या हो जाएगा? 5, और 3 को नीचे ले आऊँगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? Because if I took this minus पावर ऊपर तो क्या हो जाएगा? 5 raised to 1, 3 वाला नीचे आएगा तो माइनस वाला क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस. So this way I change the sign. 3 by 5. Now again this is what division here. If I do multiplication, ठीक है, जो 3 by 5 है वो क्या हो जाएगा? minus 5 by 3. This whole fraction becomes negative, not numerator or denominator. Keep this 5 by 3 as it is. Now open this bracket. So 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 3 into 5 by 3. So definitely here this 5 and 5 get cancelled, this 3 and 3 get cancelled. So what is remaining here? It's minus 5 by 3. So this is the way we can solve this sum.